Welcome to the Professional and Business Licensing System. In this video, we'll give you an overview of the customer portal focusing on professional licenses. If you have existing professional licenses through the Department of Licensing, you must link those licenses before you can access all the features of the system. If you haven't done this step, please see the video Linking Professional Licenses. Using the system, you'll be able to apply for new licenses, renew existing licenses, perform many license maintenance tasks, such as updating contact information, adding endorsements to a license, rescheduling an exam, or responding to a request for information. Pay online using credit card or electronic check. Generate a copy of your license to print right away, or you can request a printed copy of your license. Manage relationships with businesses or other professional licensees, if applicable to your license type. This is the Professional and Business Licensing System homepage. In this example, the existing professional licenses have already been linked to the customer account. One of the features of the homepage is to display to-do items. These are tasks related to your licenses that can be handled directly from the homepage. For example, there is a professional license ready to be renewed. Just click the Renew button to begin the renewal application. To view the professional licenses, click the Manage Existing Professional License button. On this page, we see personal information for this professional licensee. You can see links that will allow you to update the legal name, contact information, or address. To the right are some other tasks that can also be performed from this page. When you click any of these links, you'll see a page or series of pages that will allow you to make your request. Just complete the required information on each page and click the Submit button. Certain requests may require a fee. If you submit a request that requires review by Department of Licensing staff, you can track the status of the application or request on the Submitted Applications tab we'll discuss later in this video. In the middle of the page is a row of tabs. Each of these tabs display information related to this licensee. Let's take a closer look at each one. The Licenses tab is the default tab when you first access this page. You can see the two licenses currently held by this licensee. One of them is ready for renewal. We'll return to these later in this video. In the Unsubmitted Applications tab, you would see any application that you began but chose to save and submit later. You can click the Edit button to continue with the application, or click the Delete button to abandon the application. Unsubmitted applications are available for 30 days. After that, the application will be removed and you will have to submit a new application. In the Submitted Applications tab, you will see any applications you have submitted to the Department of Licensing. You can track the progress of the application in the Status field. Click the Download Application button to access a printable version of the information you submitted on the application. Scrolling down on this page, you can also see a maintenance request application to update the name that prints on the license. When the Update Print Name request has been approved by Department of Licensing staff, the request will move to this Completed Requests tab. There are no completed requests for this customer at this time. The Relationships tab shows any business administrator relationships for this person. In this case, there are several. This means this person can manage these business licenses online. Now we'll return to the Licenses tab. Let's take a look at each of the licenses for this licensee. To view a license, just click the link in the License column. Here you can see some additional details about the license. The Generate License option allows you to generate a license document to print or request a printed copy of the license to be mailed to you. For this particular license type, there is also the option to print a combined license. That is, more than one license type printed on a single license document. To return to the previous page, click the Back button. Now we'll take a look at a more complex professional license. We'll click the link for the Real Estate Managing Broker license. As part of the license details, you can see this license includes an endorsement. An endorsement on a license means the licensee has the authority to perform additional activities beyond those authorized by the basic license. There are also additional tasks that can be performed on this page. Click the More Actions link to view all the available tasks. Return to the shorter list by clicking the Less Actions link. The licensee also has several relationships with businesses related to his role as a designated broker and a branch manager. To return to the previous page, click the Back button. We're now back at the Licenses tab view for this licensee. We hope you will make use of all the great features available to you online for your professional licenses. We have other resources available to assist you. If you also have business licenses, please see the video Portal Overview Business. If you haven't yet linked your licenses, see the videos Linking Professional Licenses, Linking Business Licenses.